Hare Krishna, dear students, and welcome to Vasi Studio here in Sweden, Mayapur. I'm your teacher, Giri Govardhan Das, and I am here today to teach you something very important about the harmonium. Today, we are going to talk about how to fix the harmonium when one of the keys gets stuck. So many of you have asked me, "Oh, teacher, my harmonium is getting stuck and then I don't know what to do." So what happens is that harmonium is made of wood, and according to the temperature of the country or the place where you live, this wood sometimes may expand a little bit. So when two of the keys are together and one gets expanded, it can get stuck in between them. So follow me and let's see how we can fix this problem. For this simple operation, we only need a screwdriver and some sandpaper, or you can also use a metal file. So the first thing that we have to do is take out this cover over here. Okay? Second, we have to take out this piece of wood also by unscrewing here. Just take it out. Okay, so once you have the free space here, you have to locate which one is the key that's giving trouble. See? For example, let's say in this case is this one. So you locate here in the back, and then you take out the wire and you put it on the side. So the key becomes free. Next thing you have to do is you have to take out the whole key. Once you have the key out, then you're going to use your sandpaper and you're going to try to reduce this wood around here by doing this. You can do it on this side, and you can also do a little bit on this side. Sometimes it gets stuck here in the back, sometimes it gets stuck in the front, so you have to use the sandpaper. Or you can also use a file for wood. Okay, once you have reduced a little bit, then we can check it out and try. So you have to put back very carefully, to put back the key, and then there are two little wires on the side of the key. That is the guide. You have to put it on the line here, and then you press down. After you do that, you take the wire and put it back again into the same key, and then you try it. If it doesn't get stuck anymore, then the work is done. But if it still is getting stuck, you have to repeat the process and reduce a little more of the wood. And that's it.